Hey everyone, Jen Fisher here with Journeys in Film. At Journeys, we believe in the power of film and storytelling to inspire, engage, and foster critical thinking skills and so much more. We also believe in the power of you, the educator, to, you guessed it, inspire, engage, foster critical thinking. We're here for you. That means all of our resources are always free, and we partner with organizations like Share My Lesson to expand our understanding of your needs and your understanding of what we have to offer. We're proud to be a part of this year's Share My Lesson virtual conference. We've participated in the past, highlighting our resources for films like Hidden Figure, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, Summer of Soul, and much more. And this year, we're back talking about anti-bias education and sharing new resources we've created for Schindler's List and other films in our library. We're going to talk about antisemitism and Islamophobia and learn together the ways that we can combat bias in our classrooms. Thanks so much. See you there.